Hello and welcome to another Gavin's oil painting tips. This is number 7. Today I'm painting red onions on an 11 by 14 gesso board that is not toned. I went in right just alla prima, which I tend to do when painting still life. Alla prima is actually an Italian phrase that translates to at once. So when painting, it refers to direct painting or wet on wet. It helps to know how to draw when doing these, but just jumping right in is fun too. As you can see, the background's very important in subjugating the highest white key. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button, and go to www.gavinart.com to see more of my work.